I'm here at the Bloom Show again today. The difference between this year and last year, it's now 120 Rand for an adult, but apparently you get free Wi-Fi at certain spots. I'll try it out later. And the same as last year, I bought myself firstly a cone, but it's rather expensive. 60 Rand for a sugar cone and dips. Rather expensive, but it's delicious as always. The Army exhibition. This was really amazing. Absolutely everybody is so extremely friendly today. The atmosphere at the show this year is unbelievable. It's really unbelievable. What would the show be without rides every year? And there's all the animals, also at the show. Okay, so that's the show, guys.